Today, Thomas, James and Henry are being repainted. But there's a problem. The labels have come off the tins of paint. No one knows which colour paint is in which tin. Is the paint in the first tin the right colour for Thomas? Let's see. It's red. Is that the right colour for Thomas? No, Thomas isn't red. What about the second tin? Blue. That looks better. Thomas is blue. Who's next? James. James is red. Can you remember which tin the red paint was in? Was it this tin? No, that's not right. The third tin is full of green paint. What about trying the first tin again? Red. That's right. The first tin is full of red paint. There's one more engine to be repainted. Henry. Henry is green. Can you remember which tin the green paint was in? Was it this tin? Yes. The green paint is in the third tin. Now Henry, James and Thomas are all the right colour. And how smart they look too.